All right, hey guys, this is 903 Anza. Nice little sitting area on the right. This would be the front door and access to the upstairs apartment. All right, we go into a common area. This door goes to the lower unit, and of course your unit is upstairs. This door right here goes into the garage where the wash machines are, wash machine and dryer, and then of course there's a little sink and toilet right there for shared use. All right, we come up the stairs, one flight of stairs, and this is an amazing apartment because you got a great view. You are greeted with a foyer area that could be great for a little dining room area. Let's first go into the kitchen because this is really, really nice. You know, gas range, deep sink, dishwasher, stainless refrigerator, lots of cabinets, and then you come out here and you have this wonderful little balcony area, and with a commanding view. If you notice, shopping is over there, Safeway, Starbucks, a bunch of other stores, and then you can just see, you just have a commanding view. You have the mountains in the distance, just gorgeous here. Now, wait till we go to the other side, it's even more spectacular. All right, so we have, again, kitchen area. You can see the dishwasher to the bottom left here. Tall ceilings, all recessed lighting. And let's go to the second bedroom. This is the ancillary bedroom. So now this technically doesn't have a closet, as you can see, but there is closet space outdoors. So, you know, truly more of a bonus room than a bedroom. Here we have a really nice big bathroom, separate toilet for privacy, and then you have a double-headed shower. And this is just spacious, it's amazing. And then you even have a sink here in case you you have a project or something, or you need to fill up buckets or whatever have you. And here's the nice big bedroom. This would be the master bedroom, since you technically have an ensuite bath and then a walk-in closet, which we'll go to in a second, because I just want to go out to this view. I mean, look at this. The Pacific Ocean is right there. You have a spotting scope that's included in the rent. You have nice sitting areas. And then you have the backyard. That is a shared backyard. The owner keeps chickens here, which is amazing. There is a hot tub, but it's unclear if the hot tub's going to be staying or not, so we're not putting that part of the lease. And then, of course, if you're a skateboarder, then you're set to go. But you can just see it's just gorgeous here. There's a little walking path right beyond this fence line that goes up and down the coast, and yeah, just really amazing. So let's go back in and take a look at the master bedroom from a different angle, and then let's go into the nice big walk-in closet here. Lots of opportunities for storage or clothes or more cabinetry space. If you notice, the racks are custom copper, which is really nice. The owner did a fantastic job on customizing that and making this really unique. You can see the curtain rods above the giant windows here are also copper. So let's go through here because this is a separate entrance into the bedroom. Just to revisit everything. So we have kitchen with a nice little balcony that would be fantastic to have a cup of coffee right this morning while all this sun. You have this bonus room and big giant bathroom, and again, master bedroom with walk-in closets, big windows everywhere. It's just so much light's coming in here. And then, of course, this huge balcony, which looks directly at the ocean, the mountains, the coast range, and then you can see the surfers out there as well. I see a couple of surfers right now. All right, if you're interested in this property, let us know. This is Eric with ReLISTO. Links are in the bottom. Subscribe. Usually we put these videos out a couple of days before the actual listing goes up, so if you want to see everything as it comes out, let me know. All right. Cheers. Bye-bye.